Alright, so your Lasko fan is humming, but it's not spinning. Stick around, watch this video, I'll show you what's the problem and how to fix it. Alright, so the Lasko fan. Alright, the Lasko fan, it's working, but it's not spinning because the shaft, it's stick. Right, it's stuck. It's very hard to turn. You gotta use our pliers to turn it. The motor working. I will show you. Now we're looking for continuity. Right, so it's on the off position right now. We're on number 3. It should get a reading. Right. Number 2. You will get a reading. And then number 1. And you'll get a reading. And then it off there, so you're not getting a reading, right? It's in the off position. Right, so your next step now. So I'll open the whole fan. And the 2 screws remove. Then the back cover. One of the reasons why the shaft does jam is because too much of dust. The dust is going on the shaft and it does get lumpy. It get gummy and stick. So one of the reasons, remove this. Now watch that. You see that? This is one of the reasons why it's the big jam. Watch below there. All the vent clog up. You see? So this is what I mean reason why the shaft does clog up. It's because all the dust it go in the shaft and it get gummy. It get gummy and it jam the shaft. So next step now is to clean this. So we clean this. Okay, so I done clean it out. As you can see, difference now. Right, you can see the vent clean. Right, so the next step now is to remove the housing from the motor to get to the shaft. Right, so remove this part. Remove the switch. Remove the capacitor screw. Right. Right, so you move the switch. Right, so there's 4 screws that hold the housing, the inner housing for the motor. Remove that. Watch this. Packed with dust. So I'll remove the motor. Now you have to be careful while you're moving the motor. You don't want no wires to burst. So take your time. Alright, so some of the tie straps, you can see some of the tie strap, it bursts out. You can see a lot of dust and a lot of debris. So I will clean this and get back to you. Clean the motor and you can see the difference. Right, so that was the reason why it wasn't spinning, because too much of dust. It was jam-packed with a lot of dust. Right, so the tie strap, it get overheated and it burn out. Right, so this one come out. I'll replace all. So I will replace them one by one. I'll remove the old one. Time to put back together now. Now you want to make sure I get all the wires through. Alright. Now with the oil the shaft, both ends. Right, so you can see it turning freely now. Install back the 4 screws that hold the housing. screw back the capacitor together. Alright, so install the switch now. Right, on the switch it has some numbers. It has number 1, 2, 3 and L. Right, so the L will be hot. Number one is red, number 2 is brown, and number 3 is black. Alright, so it won't be hard once you remember the numbers and the color code. So the red will be number 1, number 2 will be the brown, number 3 will be black. Alright, so the wire will be, right, so the L will be hot and neutral to neutral. Right, so now you can plug it on. Right. Right, see, number 1, number 2, number 3, and off position. Right, so you're working. Like I said before, the motor working, it's not spinning because it jammed. But now, our service it's more free now. You can see all the dust on the come out. You see all the vent clear. Alright, now about the covers. So there one screw that hold the back cover in place. Right, put some oil in front shaft, and there you have it. Alright, so thanks for watching my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment below. Until next time, Mr. Fix It 360 saying good luck with all your peers.